Joel Thiemann G9H said hi.
What's it go? What the heck, is there any music? Is the music working? Okay, I think it is working.
Joel Thiemann G9H said, are you playing Minecraft today?
Yeah, I'm on it right now. Okay, let me go ahead and do some setup real quick. Man, I don't know what's going on. Okay, done. All right. Oh boy. Not so sure if I can even change this, but hey. Oops.
Luan Jacobs 2368 said hi.
What's up, dude? There. Up to that tree. Oh wait, no. I still need bone meal real quick. There we go, and then we delete this. Guess we can keep the dirt. Okay. So regular skyblock. Not so sure if this is the best way to do it. I don't even know if there's a purpose to this, because technically I can just go teleport to my island, and then I could just type in island shop. You know what I'm saying? I got an idea. Let's come in here. And we're just gonna copy this. Can I not copy it? Well, it's a YML file. Okay, we'll call it island dot. Or no, we'll call we'll just call it menu 2 for now, and then we'll name it something else later. Right? Copy this, come into here, and we'll delete these and we'll change it. Okay, so these aren't needed. Then we'll save this one. And then it's called menu underscore 2. We'll go to config, and then we'll make another one. So right here, the server selector, we're just gonna make a new one. Is it exactly the same amount slot? Yes. We'll just make another one exactly right here. And we'll call this menu 2. Okay. 2. Right? Display name, we'll just name it menu for now, and then right click to open the second menu. And this will be a gold ingot. There you go. Okay. Save that. Oh wait, we can't put it into slot 4, my bad. What is slot 4? The line is... We'll just put this in slot 5. Okay, go back into menus, menu 2. The name of this one will be menu 2. We'll change this to refresh false. And this will be...
Godwin said, "Hi, at my first time watching and it was very amazing, so L will like to play with you, hit me up on Discord. Straemer001.
I also will have this be a gold ingot. Slot 13. Display name. Oops. Island shop. Command / island shop. Message will be opening the shop. And lore. This only works when you're on your island. It has to be quotation because we have... There we go. Okay. Load true, yes, okay, perfect. Then we'll just save this. And I should be able to reload. There it is. Okay. And I can just right click this gold ingot. Can't right click the ingot, why? Oh, is it because it has to be a right clickable object? Yeah, I think it does have to be right-clickable. What's a right-clickable object? A fishing rod? Does that work? No, it can't be a fishing rod. What is that one thing called? joinmc carrot on a stick? Oops. Let me test it out real quick. Or is it a fungus on a stick? Doesn't matter. Carrot. Is carrot on a stick? Okay. Carrot on a stick. That doesn't work. Why isn't it working? Info book server selector menu 2. Oh, I put R here. Maybe this will work. Oops. There it is. Maybe it will work because I didn't have the correct menu. There it is. Okay, so it does work. Island shop. It closes the island. Why? It just closes immediately. I wonder if there's a way to make it wait. Because it's going to close it, I think, regardless. Ooh, I think I can make this one work. Yeah. For the nether, let me go right here. So you can just console. Send you to the nether, right? So if I console, execute in Minecraft. What is it called again? It's actually just called the nether. The nether run TP player 0 128 0. Will that work? I don't think that does work. Okay, well, 128 is definitely bad. Okay. Okay. Is it cause that's not supposed to be there? Oh yes, that's exactly what it was. Yeah, but when you get sent to the nether, you lose the nether star. I guess that's fine. That's not really that big of a deal. I mean, it looks like you can do island shop from anywhere. Yeah, you can do from anywhere. But why does it close? Yeah, it just closes instantly. I don't think this is the reason why. Oops. Yeah, that's not the reason why. In fact, it's faster. I think instead of doing it that way, I need to make something like this. Right? Instead of doing menu 2, I'll leave this alone. I'll make another one. And I'll just call it on display name Island Shop. Okay, right click to open the shop menu, the shop menu. And instead of doing menu, we'll just do command. Island Shop. We'll put this in slot 6. Okay, now it works. The only issue looks like is this one, menu 2, because there's 2 gold ingots. Maybe. Oh no, it's because this was also called menu 2. Island Shop. And this one, menu 2 will be... What should it be? What should menu 2 be? Let's see. Maybe an end crystal? I have a feeling that's not gonna work. Oh no, it works. Okay. So now we have an island shop. We have one where we just right-click, gold ingot, right-click it, shop. Okay, and then you can buy stuff. That's what I'm saying, like, it's not... This probably isn't necessary. Because I can just use the island shop to buy everything I need. I need blocks, okay, you know. I just buy some, look, I have... Well, I'm a bit different. But there's also... Like, when a new player joins, and let's say they want something. Let's say they're like, oh yeah, I want a diamond sword. I can't really get it from here, because there's no... What? End portal frame? You can buy an end portal frame? This is not something people can break. Let me see... Here, can I change the shop? No way. They did that all by hand? They're freaking crazy. Oh my god, they did the whole thing by hand. And then there's no there's no information here. Okay. Let's try changing this to null. Wait, go back. This item can't be sold. Okay, so it's not null. It's 0. Configuration has been reloaded. Okay. Yeah, this way you cannot buy it. Yeah, I mean, besides that, you could pretty much buy everything. Like, oh, okay, you want 8 diamonds? No problem. Oh, how many diamonds? It's just 64. 8k, yeah, for 64. So it's just like, you know, okay, so with GMS, if I open up this menu and I say, okay, well, I want grass blocks. There you go. Bought it for 6.1 to 6.4k. Right? So you're able to get blocks that you can't even normally obtain, like grass blocks. Actually, you know what? Let me go under this. Alright, and you can't... Oh. Why was I able to throw that away? I shouldn't have been able to throw that away. What the heck? I shouldn't be able to throw these away. There you go. You're not allowed to drop items. You can't drop normal items either. So everything you pick up just fills your inventory. I don't... I wish there was a way here to change it here. Like, these are world settings. They're not like item settings. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, so this is pretty much just Skyblock, but you know, you can purchase things. Like there's no, this opens up a second menu that doesn't even work because I'm not using it for anything else. The warp stone can pretty much teleport you everywhere. In fact, you can even have it send you to the end. So what I have to do is call this one the end. We'll call this I guess this will be end stone, and then we change this to the end. The only issue with the end is if you do teleport to the end, there's no way back until you kill the dragon. So 10, 12, 14, 16. Teleport to the end. Turning. Unless the dragon is killed, there's no way back. And then what? Oh, whoops. I need to re-op myself. Okay. What the? What's the hub up there? I messed up somewhere. Slot 10. There we go. See? And then you can teleport to the end. Oh, it teleports you right on top of it. Yeah, but as you can see, like there's no way back. And then PvP is disabled. What is this? 66. I mean, it's the same thing. And then PvP is disabled, so... oh, my bad. So, you can see here he's trying to hit me, but he can't. Because PvP is disabled. Execute in over run TP 01280. Okay. So maybe I should change that to red. At A is A green? What is B then? Okay, so B's like a blue. So is C red? Yes, it is. Okay.
Richard 2013x8q said hi.
Hey, what's up, Excite? I should probably do the same thing for this. See if there's no portal, you won't make it back. I gotta make sure that's even the case. Let me just jump over here.
Richard 2013x8q said I have bedrock but I can't join.
Oh, you can join. Even with bedrock, you should be able to join. Oh, okay, well, I guess you can kill yourself, I guess. I mean, if you jump off into the void, I guess it'll just teleport you back to your island. I need to move this portal. Let me just buy some obsidian. Okay. And then I'll just put the portal over here somewhere. Oops, I'm in creative mode. Let me see, where's 00? What? Is this really 00? EP 000 1280. Oops. I guess this is 00. That's weird. like right here.
Got tag off fast 761 said here.
Hey, what's up, Sonic? What are you doing, bro? Okay, so that works. I still don't know if that's how I want to do it. Cause, I mean, like, don't get me wrong, this is pretty cool. Like, being able to just buy the blocks you need. You know what I mean? And then I can just sell it back. Oops. Right? Like, there's no need for even this. I can just remove shop. Okay. But there is a shop menu, so if people wanted to open up a shop, I guess they could do so. Like when people spawn, they're gonna spawn in here. Obviously, I want to make it look good, so I mean, this is the hub. Like, if you warpstone, this is the very first thing you go to. You know what I'm saying? Obviously, you can also use the warpstone to now teleport to the Nether, the End, or your island, which is great. And what's up, Dylan? And if you want to open up your shop, you can just right-click the gold ingot, and that will open up the shop now. So you don't even have to use commands anymore. I'm probably going to make another teleport or another menu option specifically for the island, so you don't have to type out island border or whatever. Because the problem we have right now is I don't know if you can do it from here actually. Let me see. No, but you can type island border, right? And it allows you to change everything that they have. It's in a GUI, but they don't have the item in your bar, and I don't know why. Like, you have the GUI for it, so why don't you have it in your bar? Like, okay, see, so I can type in island level, for example, to see my island level. Let me go ahead and make that, I guess. But I guess I should use a grass block, maybe? Go back to the hub. Okay. So PvP is off, which is, oh, you teleported into the lava. Jump in the water. Okay, there we go. How did you teleport into the lava, though? Is that where it teleports you? Let me teleport. Let me TP myself. 0690. Nice. This is spawn point. What? Set. Spawn point set. Spawn point 000. 0. 0. 0. 0. Is this not spawn? So if I teleport to hub, it teleports me here. Why? Why doesn't it teleport me here? It's so weird. Anyways, let's go ahead and build this out. I have billions of coins, so I might as well use it to make cool things, right? We'll build it out of... Dude, I don't even know. What's weird is that not all the blocks are here. And why does ice here twice? Should we add something else to this? I feel like we're missing something from this. Endstone is here. Let me see. What other cool blocks is there? Ooh. Ah, very cool. Ooh. Take this one. Oh yeah, that looks cool. That looks real cool. Wait, but it doesn't actually fit together. What the heck?
Fedalin Shaper Zero said, "Hey Limbone."
What's up, Dylan? Am I muted? Oh no, you guys can hear me. Why doesn't it fit together? That's weird. Yeah, it doesn't actually fit together. Okay, so this is supposed to be where you teleport when you teleport from the hub. You see what I'm saying? That's what's supposed to happen. Like when you teleport from the hub, you teleport there. It doesn't teleport you there. Why? That's so weird. Deluxe hub spawn. Spawn point. Spawn point set. Spawn point. All 000. What? How did you do that? Oh, is it depending on how I look?
It has to be 4x4.
Oh, it has to be 4x4? What?
2x2.
Can I do 3x3? Is it because I'm... Is it because I'm in creative? Shoot. No? I'm just gonna spawn a bed real quick because this is well, it doesn't really matter, but I might as well because we need to fix this anyways. Game rule. Sleep. Game. What? Player sleep percentage.
Can I have red glazed terracotta?
Okay. Okay, yeah, I'm not so sure. Because we want the middle to be... We want the middle to be the spot we spawn in, you know what I'm saying? Like right here. And then this way... Because the red looks good. But... This way when people spawn in, this is where they spawn in at, right? But the issue I'm having right now is... I don't know why this isn't set properly. Yeah, it doesn't spawn me there. What?
That is black glazed.
Yeah, it doesn't spawn me on the diamond. So, let me go look at settings. Man, Akamai's been doing a lot of VR chat lately. I don't know, maybe she got bored. Hopefully I didn't make her feel bad. Oh, that looks good, dude. Hell yeah. Yeah, see, this is what I'm talking about. We need some... This is what we need right here. I need some good,
Do/set lobby.
Oh, is it /set lobby? Ah, yes, that's what it was. I forgot. I completely forgot. Okay, so now we should spawn here. This is the right... Yeah, these are the right coordinates. Perfect. So now when we teleport from anywhere, we teleport here. And then right now, spawn protection is set to 0. Later, I will change that. After we're done building out the hub to look extravagant, I'll come back and I'll change this to something. Let me see, where's spawn protection? Yeah, spawn protection is set to 0 right now. So once we're done, you know, making this place look really good, I'll come back and then I'll set protection so that people can't mess with it. But for now, I'll leave it alone. Am I GMC? Okay, yeah. Okay, so let me go and build this out too. Actually, while I'm here. Soul lanterns. And then, is there any good looking obsidian terracotta? No, not really. Obsidian. And then flint. And I'm pretty sure I can just... Pretty sure this can be infinite in its size.
We need to go 6 over the other way to make it even.
On the grass? This just needs to be square. I can make this as tall as I want, right? Oh yeah.
Can I have grass?
Oh yeah. I'm gonna have to find a way to... have every... Oh crap, I teleported. To have everybody make money. Because right now, Dylan, if you wanted to, you could also buy blocks. But you don't have any money, I'm assuming, right? So I'll have to find a way for everybody to make money. Maybe the way people will make money is selling stuff. But, okay, so this... looks pretty good. I'm still gonna go down one more, I think. So, kind of like this. And then... this could be as tall as I want it to be, right? It doesn't really matter. I'm just gonna make this the longest sword you've ever seen. Okay, maybe not that long. Maybe it actually might be a better video for being a little bit too long. Okay, so we'll go like this, and then I'm pretty sure all it has to do is be straight. Oh, there is a portal limit. What is the limit? What's the limit? Okay, well that's not the limit. Okay, it's like right here somewhere. What is that? 1, 2, 3, 4.
It is even now.
Okay. Okay, so I'll go 4 more. Like that. Okay. And then this will just extend. Maybe not this far, because it looks like the portal can only be so big anyways. But I do want to kind of make it look like... Oops, I'm falling. I do want to kind of make it look like it's stuck. Like in here. We'll do something like this. Right? And I'm pretty sure I can't light this as a portal. Yeah, but I could place that block down and now it's a portal. Right? Is there 2 portals now? No, it's just 1. Okay, good. It still works like a regular portal. Cool. Oh, but there is a chance for you to teleport to the bottom instead. Okay, maybe not. Let's use purple we'll use purple stained glass instead, because I don't want it to look, I guess, like that. Let me knock this one out. Like that? Will that look the same? Not really. The portal has like a very specific look. So I can't. Okay, so let me go fill from here to here, and then stain, oh, purple stained glass. All right, there we go. Okay. Oh crap. I did that wrong. Purple stained glass pane. There we go. Okay, that looks much better. Alrighty. So now at least it looks kind of like that works from a distance, maybe. Not really. Ugh. Okay, it's okay. Get obsidian. And then let me finish out, at least let me finish this out a little bit. Go 1, 2, 3 over. Yeah, we'll just go down. Kind of like this. Maybe. I'm gonna need some chains. Oh, I forgot in the new version we have copper. We have copper chains now in the newer version. Okay, I feel like that could look better.
It
maybe.
needs the handle.
Yeah, I'm gonna build the handle afterward. The handle is gonna be the easy part. Making everything else look good is gonna be kind of. I guess this would just be a placeholder, I guess, until like a real builder comes on the server and is like, hey, I can build that better, because this is gonna look like crap, I think. This is probably gonna look like dookie. And then maybe. Oh, the red terracotta is really hard to use. Do we have anything purple? Purple concrete powder? Purple glazed terracotta. Do you think this will look okay? Let's see. No, it looks the same. Oh, it's a sword too. Yeah. The design is too, It's just, it's too intricate of a design to use that one. Let's see. Concrete blocks, maybe? Oh yeah, that looks okay. Yeah, that looks alright. Obsidian. And then regular obsidian. And then we'll just do something like this. Then when, like I said, when we have an actual builder come in here, I'll be able to... Because obviously I'm not good at building.
How about crying obsidian?
I mean, it doesn't look great. It does not look great. I did want it to look like it's in the ground right here. Let me get some grass. Hold on. Because this is gonna be the hub, right? This is our actual hub. Let me come out to here, and then what is that? 3 on each side. 1, 2, 3.
World edit would be helpful.
Yeah. Oh, I actually have world edit. World edit. CUE or CUI.
And
can't
how
remember.
will you have like mods and builders and admins?
Yeah, I still need to build out all of that. So if I was to go to how to add Minecraft, because I already have Vault, so use permission plugins. It's telling me to use a permission plugin, but the thing is, we already have one, Vault, right? And then there's permission, Vault permission legacy or Vault permission modern. Okay, so let me do Vault. Vault is a permissions chat and economy API. Permissions Vault admin. So let me do Vault info. Oh, what the hell? Vault currently supports B permissions. Okay, so let me look for a B permissions plugin. And then we'll just look for a newer one. You know what? Let's just go to here. We'll use the add plugin, and then we'll look for permissions, worldfly, permissions, downloads, luck perms. Oh, is that the best one?
You have a forum to apply for mod, admin, and builder.
Yeah, I'll probably have one in the Discord. I'll make something in here.
Yes,
and then
luck perks is really good.
yeah, so I'll probably use luck perks. It does have the most amount of downloads, so let's just go ahead and use this one. What else am I missing?
Very simple to use.
Cat.
Kashi_V6G said, "Hey man."
Yo, what's up, Cash? We don't have one here. We have an economy plugin for money. There isn't a modern one. A Vault economy. Yeah, we don't have a modern one. Simple claim system.
When you do have a forum, could I apply?
Yeah, bro, I got you. But for now, do you want me to give you builder perks? For now? So that you can build?
Sure.
Okay, there you go. Let me go over here. Let me restart the server real quick.
Kashi_V6G said, "What are you doing?"
We are building out the hub for our server real quick.
Okay.
So the hub, it's going to be a massive hub. It's not gonna be small. It's gonna be pretty huge. I already kind of have an idea of like what I want to do. Yeah. I kind of have an idea of what I want to do. I mean, obviously it's skyblock so that we don't have to tear anything down. We can just kind of build everything out if we want to build it out. Okay, so this does not look good right here. Okay, luck perms. Lock perms, create group, admin. Admin created. Oh, maybe I should. Admin. Lock.
Kashi_V6G said troll face.
Dude, we're totally doing a lot of things here. Okay, so lock perms, add group, add lock perms, create group, admin. S or no S? Admin. Oh, it doesn't really matter. And then we'll do one for builders.
Kashi_V6G said, are they Pokemon?
No, there's no Pokemon. New players. Okay. And then we'll do lock perms. Oops. User. And then demote, clone, permission, promote. Does it promote? What does promote even do? Unsure which track to use. Please specify as an argument first. Okay.
Kashi_V6G said, is it hardcore?
No, it's not hardcore. Should I have made it hardcore? You think that would have been a good idea? I don't know. I don't think so. I don't think hardcore would have been a good idea. Because then you would just lose everything. Every time you die, all the money you would make would just disappear. So I don't think hardcore is a good idea. Oops. I don't think hardcore is a good idea. Do you think that's drooping too much? Lock terms. Create track, bulk update, apply edits. What does apply edits do?
Kashi_V6G
applies permission changes made from the web editor. Yes, there will be PvP. There will be like an arena area. I'm planning on adding an arena area. I'm literally doing this from just plugins and like from scratch. And then like whoever joins can help if they want to help. But I'm pretty sure right now anybody can join. Even if you're on Bedrock. You could be on Bedrock and you can join. Like there's anybody can join. You can be running Minecraft 1.6 and you could probably join. This is Minecraft 1.21.11. I'm pretty sure even if you ran an older version of Minecraft, you can do it. I'm pretty sure if you were running cracked Minecraft, you can join. Like it pretty much allows anything right now. No. We have PvP off right now because I haven't created the arena world yet where you can go fight each other. I'm planning on adding a way for you to bet before you fight, and then this way you can make money this way, and then maybe before a fight starts people can bet on the fight, because in this world we're gonna have money, right? We're gonna have this coins over here, and then using the coins you can do something like slots, right? So you can play slots for more money. But I plan on adding slots for items too. Or like, if you have like, this is not going to be a pay to win server. It's not going to be a pay to win server. It's going to be purely, you play, you win. You know, as long as you're playing. Oh yeah, that looks pretty good, dude. Yeah, but how do you, why is there 2 on both sides though? Should we have 2 on both sides? because we only have one spawn, so I guess it doesn't matter. Yeah, we always spawn on the side.
V6G said you should make a money system.
We already have a money system, Cash. You don't see it on the right hand side? Oh, you don't see it because you're watching me on vertical, Cash. If you watch me on horizontal, Cash, you'll see the money. We do have a money system already. I also have a system that keeps track of your stats, your level, etc. Anyways, so if I do luck perms info, running luck perms by luck, forge extensions message, static content, online players uptime, local data, 4 groups. Okay, so luck perms. Let me change it to day real quick. Time set day. Oops. Okay. Luck perms. Editor? What is editor? I'm not so sure how to add people. Like, it doesn't. Editor all. During a new editor session, please wait. Click the link below to open up the editor. Yes. What? Woo. Okay, well that's cool. That's actually very cool. I did not expect that at all. Okay, users, Dylan, group default, permission nodes. Oh my god, this is amazing. Wow, like you can do a lot. Whoops. Did I mess something up?
I told you.
Holy cow, look at this. Woo, man, that's huge. Let's look for default. Man, default game mode, no.
I used it before.
Group. Default. What? Okay. Gambling machine admin, vault admin. So what is admin? Okay, we'll just add admin. And then if I add builders to you, is it not a group?
Kashi_V6G said you should make custom weapons, block and armor.
Yes, I am going to do that as well, Cash. So there's this thing called what is it called? Builder web. I can't remember what it's called. Do you guys remember what it's called? It's like a builder website. You know what I'm talking about? Block builder, I think it's what it's called. Blockbench. Okay, so Cash. Here in this website called Blockbench, you can go make whatever you want. So I can go here, I can make a Java block item for Minecraft Java.
V6G said buffering.
Okay, and then right here I can call it custom sword. Whatever, right? Parent model could be Minecraft diamond sword. Oops, I typed that wrong. Right, and then whatever format version, confirm. Wait, does it not let you do that? Maybe not. Doesn't matter. So I can add a cube here, right? And as you can see, there's a cube here now. See? And you can there's like normal things that you can do with this. Mainly it's basically Blender. It's basically Blender, but for blocks. Right? So let me change this out right here. We'll do, there we go, right? And then let me go up. What is the move option? Oops, the right one. I'm not going for paint, I'm going for this. Okay, so for cube, and then we go to edit, then I can just duplicate this and then move the duplicate out, and let's give this a bigger size.
Kashi_V6G said why pink?
The color doesn't matter. The color, this isn't even an actual color. This is actually a fake color. Okay. So right now I can set it like this, and then I can make. There is a way.
What
I can't remember.
Should I build or add to the lobby?
Oh, that's up to you. Whatever you want to do. But we could build roads that lead off of this. So like from right here, let me double, and then just path, and then path off from here to like another hub area or something. Like we can have like a, let me see. Whoops. So like I can do something like this, and then have it come all the way out here to like a house or something like that, you know what I'm saying? And then the house could be like I don't know, bro. Let me do fill, oops. Fill. And then let's go to over here, and then we'll just do that, and then path. There we go. Okay, like this can go like all the way out here, and then we can make, oh, there we go. Well, that works. And then we can make like a house or something.
Kashi_V6G said make a boss battle.
I can make a boss battle, but we won't be able to do it right now, because we're gonna make out the hub first, and then after the hub is completed, we'll make the mini games. We'll make like the mini game areas. It doesn't have to be, well, I guess you can make it that big if you want. But the only reason why I wanted it to be an empty space was because I knew we were gonna build big. So I was just like, I need empty space, because otherwise I would have to go through a mountain. And I didn't want to do that. I didn't want to have to like completely delete a mountain just to, you know, it's just, it didn't really make sense to me. I was just like, why don't I just start off with like a lot of empty space? Okay, so like I was saying, like you can do something like this, and then you can even taper it. So we can go here, and then we can do, what is it called? I remember, is it right here somewhere? It's not even here. Knife tool? Oh, yeah, no, we don't want to do any of this. Anyways, what happens is you have like infinite like possibilities here, because you can make whatever you want, and then after you're done making it, you can export it. Like I've seen people make completely custom tool block, custom sword, right? Images. See, look at this. These are all items that are made on Blockbench. Custom item in Blockbench, right? You can do stuff like this. You can make these swords, and they could be whatever you want it to look like. Like, look at this sword. This sword looks freaking cool. See this? And they made this using Blockbench. ArtStation, Pixel Art Studio's Blockbench / Blender or whatever, but this is Blockbench. And they were able to make something like this, and then you can take it, and then I can just give it to give me diamond. Oh no, this is a sword. We can have the base be a netherite sword or something like that, right? 1, and then you give it a specific NBT value. Right.
Kashi_V6G said bye, I need to walk my fish.
You need to walk your fish? Alright, Cash. Good luck walking your fish, man. But yeah, dude, that'll be sick. That'll be sick later on. But I'll think about that later. Yeah, this is gonna look good. Like this. It's too bad I can't make the portal at the bottom, but I mean, as long as the sword is, you can see it. It's okay, let me go back and fix luck perms. So there's 4 groups. There's What? What does that even mean? Block place. Group default. Admin. But I can't add builder. Because there's no option for builders. It just says builders, but it's not actually... It doesn't actually assign you to a group. Tracks? What are tracks? Oh, I see.
You need to make the groups first.
So... What is default? Okay, so you add a track. Do you have to promote them yourselves? That's crazy.
Can I set it to peaceful so mobs don't spawn?
Yeah, you can set it to peaceful, it doesn't matter. Okay, so maybe new players isn't one we need. So... Okay, so you'll go from default. Maybe default is probably a bad idea. Oh, it doesn't really matter. You go from default to... Oh, you can add prefixes and suffixes to them? What? How do I edit this?
Yay.
Okay, so we'll call this mod. Moderator. No, wait. Display name. Prefix. Mod. Suffix. Mod. Parent. Admin. No, we'll just call it moderator, okay? And then I guess we'll do a default mod admin. Well, I guess you can't really become an admin. But we'll just call this the moderator track. Add track moderator. Right? And then if you go from default the moderator, parent groups. Oh. Remove default as a parent. If you go to builder as a parent. And then if you go to builders, they have the ability to block place. Okay, what about flight? Command fly. Why isn't there a basic Minecraft command for flight? Fly. Creative mode. Is there no creative mode? Quick shop, double sell, stacks, admin. Great track. Add items. No. Set game mode. Minecraft command game mode. Okay. So you don't really even need flight. But I guess I'll leave it like that. And then, okay, so I have you set to builders. If I de-op you, will you still be able to put yourself in creative mode?
Flight is helpful for builders.
Yeah. But I need to try this out. Okay, so if I add, I'm gonna do this to myself since you're building. Let's apply this. Okay. Am I currently no GMS and then de-op. Okay, so I'm no longer an operator. Can I GMC? You're forbidden from using this. Even though I am a builder? command. Oh, I didn't add deluxe hub. Deluxe hub game mode. Okay. 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 Yeah. So even though I'm not operative, I'm not an operator of the server, I still gain those. Okay, that's pretty cool. That's pretty good. So now if I de-op you, oops, let me op myself. Okay, so if I de-op, okay, so can you change your game mode still? Can you still run around and change your game mode? You should still be able to.
No.
You can't? You can't type in /GMC or GMS? GMS? There it is. Yeah, you should be able to still. Even though you're not an operator anymore. You're flagged under builder for luck perms. And builders have the ability to change their game mode. Okay, maybe you don't need Minecraft command game mode. Well, I don't know. I'll just leave it there. It's not a big deal. So now you have the ability to fly. I can't fly normally. And then block place and block break.
I use F3 and F4 to change my game mode and not the command.
Okay, so if I de-op myself. Okay, so I'm no longer a server operator, okay? Yeah, see, I can still GMC myself. See? I'm not an operator either. I just GMC myself. And then GMS. There we go. I can't op myself though. Because I'm not doing it from the server. That's pretty good though. That means that I can do pretty much everything. I can give people. So basically, if I do luck perms, and then how do I add people? User.
Use the keybind F4 and F4.
Parent groups builders, right? So later on, user limbones show tracks parent. Add moderator.
I can't use world edit though.
Oh, you can't use world edit. Oh, is it because I don't have it in luck perms? Oh, there's no world edit. It doesn't matter. Now we know that's how that works. Now we know that's how that works, okay? So I mean, at least for me specifically, I needed to know how that worked. Now I know how that works. I just had to add parent groups. There's tracks for that, so I can promote somebody in a track. So if I luck perms promote, oh no, user Dylan promote moderator, right? It'll set you to it'll promote you from a default to a moderator. Because if I go to look at you normally right now, you're just set to builder and default. But default has a track that pushes it from default to moderator. Okay, so I understand now. So using this, I can actually give it. I think
now just to show it on the side, and when you click tab.
What do you mean? Oh yeah, I forgot to look at moderators. It says, okay, so now I inherit permissions from moderator in context global. The issue is, for moderator, I have suffix and prefixes. But it doesn't actually show up here. So... some options will only apply after the server has restarted. Maybe prefixes and suffixes only apply afterwards? I don't know. Let me try user and then promote mod. Promoting a long track moderator from default to moderator in context global. Okay. Yeah, you don't have any...
To make it show on the scoreboard on the side.
Oh, right. Okay, so I'm not so sure what the luck perms placeholders. Does demoting work the same way if I just demote? Okay, yeah, it's the same thing. It doesn't really matter. Okay. So placeholders for luck perms prefix. Oh, I see. I see. So if I take this, I go to files, I go to plugins, I go to, where's it at? Simple score, scoreboards. Right here, where it says rank, I just put in luck perms prefix. And then a...
Exploring C3H said, yo, sorry I had to delete my Discord.
Who, I don't know who you are, Exploring. Who are you? And then let's save this. But then if I do simple score reload, oh, it doesn't pick it up. It doesn't pick up that. Why though? I already have the other thing.
We need the plugs tab in Essentials X Chat Plus Vault. Plugins asterisk.
Why Essentials? Isn't Essentials
X? A
X?
while ago and I'm subbed.
I don't have a donation option, so. But thanks for the sub, bro. Isn't this plugin the one where you buy stuff from them or something like that? Or am I thinking of a different one?
Exploring C3H said, oh wait. You're thinking of a different one. Exploring C3H said, sorry, it was the potato guy.
I mean, you're free to donate to me too. I'm cool with that, bro. What's up? Okay, so I got that one. Selectors. I'll add other things if I need it. Okay, so I added those. Can I just reload for that to work? No, I'm pretty sure I have to restart the server. It's too bad I can't type. I can type restart. I didn't know that. Oh, it just shuts down the server. I actually have to...
Stephane Wallhead 4627 said, I'm back.
What's up, Steven? What is the other one? Tab? What is tab? All-in-one solution that works. Tab is an all-in-one plugin for displaying information in various places. Oh, I already have something for this, though. Configurable prefix and suffix. It's okay. If they
I think tabs will work better with luck perms.
Okay. Well, let me restart. The Lux hub already has one, but I'll turn off the Lux hubs and then we'll use tabs. Let me go to plugins, Deluxe hub config, and we will turn off the tab list.
Stephine Wallhead 4627 said I can't find my phone, so I'm on my iPad.
Oh, it works. It just says mod and then my name and then mod. Yeah, but why doesn't it work with simple score? That's so weird. Like what? That's weird. Okay, so what is it called? Tab? Here it is. Config messages, user data, users, animations. Right here. Tab list name formatting. World, disabled world. Okay, visit our webpage, animation. And then there's nothing there. Used memory. Online staff. Server name. I can just go get from scoreboard, from simple score. I already have the formatted name here. We'll just copy this. Go to tabs. And then config, and then here where server name is, we just add this. There we go. Too bad there's no animation. I kind of want to add the animation to it, but that's okay. I'll worry about that later. Okay, and then groups, lock perms, default. Lock perms prefix, tab, tag, custom name, and then I'll just add spaces here, and will that fix the issue that we have right there? Yes. There's no colors though. Whoops. World owner. Okay. And then users. In cache, player data. Nope. Messages. They're all about something else. Animations? What the hell? Wait, that doesn't change it though. You need to reload? No, that doesn't fix it either. App successfully reloaded. No, I think I have to change it here. On lock perms. So if I go to builders, I can't actually change it here. Lock perms. Group. Builders. I can't change prefix here either. Set display name. Set display name. Remove display name for the group builders in context global. That doesn't work. It has to do something with prefix. Lock perms. Group. Builders.
Stephine Wallhead 4627 said I actually have a bounty on my head because of my ex.
Dang, dude, that's crazy, bro. Okay, here in moderator, it just says prefix.0.mod. So if I go here and just do prefix.0.builder, I can't add that. I might just have to delete it and then remake it. Group name builders, display name, prefix builder of rock and stone. No parent. That group.
Stephine Wallhead 4627 said all I did was break up with her.
Oh, I just had to re-add it? So what happens if I delete one? No. That doesn't work. Can't save it either. Okay. Did that work? Oh, it did work. Nice. Yeah, but it does it for everybody.
Going to send the command in chat. Discord.
Okay. So if I do LP group moderator meta that prefix what is it? Why is it 300? What's 300 mean? And C, and then we'll do mod. Priority of 300. Oh, it's a priority. So the higher is it? The higher the priority, the more. Yes it is. Yes it is. I see.
Check Discord.
What? Where do you put it? Oh, it's in general. So the higher it is, that's the one that shows. If you're a mod and a builder at the same time, then you get both perms, and it will show mod. So it's basically an upwards tree. You want to, when I do perms, I want to build from the bottom up. So I want to build for builders first, and then I'll go up higher and higher and higher. Okay. I don't really need this then. Yeah, I don't need it right now, at least. I can always reopen it up and look at it. Okay, so rank.
Stephine Wallhead 4627 said I'm going to go.
You're gonna go, Steven. Why? Are you trying to run away from her? Trying to run away from your ex? Okay, Steven, I'll catch you later, man. Stay safe, dude.
Changed it to a deep blue for builders cause I like it better.
Okay, so for what? Really? So if I go here, whoops, let me go here.
Stephine Wallhead 4627 said she at my door.
Oh, she's at your door? Dang, bro, you better run, dude. You better get out of here. I'll catch you later, man. I will add the Discord into tab on config. Is this it right? Visit our webpage, animation web. And okay, so where do I put it? Animation web. Okay, so what? Oh, maybe it's at the top of this. Right? No. Or do I actually have to change it here? Wait, this is the welcome one? Nah, I don't like that, dude. I'd rather have it be the other way around. Yeah, let's, when it gets to here, let's have this move here. A, and then W, E. Well, actually, it's gonna be from here. It's gonna go to E here, like this. M. Or I guess this is E too, huh? M. O. There you go. Is that gonna work? Let's see. Let me see if this actually works or not. I mean, kinda. And it works. Okay. As for the other animation, this one. I'm pretty sure this. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I have to change it right there. Yep. That's terrible, dude. That's gonna be a pain in the butt. Yeah, that's gonna be a real pain right there. Okay. As for rank, since it can't pull luck perms from rank. What? Oh, there isn't a next page. There isn't actually a next page. I don't think there is one. Let me go back to Island Shop. It's here. Oops. Yeah, there isn't actually a next page here.
Wallhead 4627 said I'm going to go on my headset. I have some security.
Oh yeah. Okay. So there's island rewards. Wow. Yeah, I need to make one for this. What do you think should be the best thing to get all of this? Cuz there's a lot of commands for the island that we haven't captured yet. So like for example, if I do island level, it shows your level. Island progress. No.
4627 said we're not really security, but friends, it will help me.
That's right, bro. You can hang out with us. Island experience? Yeah, like stuff like this. There is no way, besides typing it out, there's no way to actually access this stuff. But I could turn it into a menu. Like you see how at the bottom we have warpstone? I made these, right? I made these other ones.
Wallhead 4627 said they have guns.
There's a menu too for the end stone, but it doesn't do anything. Right now, it doesn't do anything. There's the island shop, which opens up the shop. Right? And then I can make another one for the island itself, and it's just a bunch of island stuff. Right? But what should I make one? I mean, it doesn't seem like island border. Oh, that just changes the color. Island boosters? What is a booster?
Stephane Wallhead 4627 said so. Bye.
Alright, Steven, I'll catch you later, man. Must be level 5 to purchase. Oh. Increases your spawner speeds? Oh, you can buy a spawner. Okay. Island deposit? What is deposit? Deposit name amount? What? Island bank? Oh, that opens up your bank. Island money. Right click to deposit. Ah, so you can deposit money into your bank. Interesting. Or you can deposit experience. Hold on, let me try something. Okay. Ah, so you can even deposit experience into your bank. Interesting. So all of that can be... Maybe I need to do something like... let me see. What if I'm gonna try something else? Because I already have... What is that thing called? Placeholder API, which just allows you to move everything around, right? No expansions. Config. Oh, there's placeholder expansions. So let me see.
Limbone said, Kophistry Ambit has won 100 from the jump catch game.
I wonder what expansions we need.
The Limbone said Kophistry Ambit has won 100 from the jump catch game.
Holy cow, there's so many. Oh my god, there's so many. Okay, holy crap, there's so many. What is what? Skyblock owner island? What is a skyblock? A skyblock. Maybe instead of using Iridium Skyblock, I should change it to one of the better Skyblock plugins. A Skyblock. No. U Skyblock. That's apparently one too. No. Maybe it just doesn't exist for this game version, because I'm trying to run 121.8 and it's talking about A Skyblock, U Skyblock. Yeah, it doesn't have it here. Tested major MC versions 112. Okay. B Skyblock? Oh my god. Bento box world. Maybe I should have used something like Bento Box. That seems to be pretty cool.
Fedalin Shaper Zero said, sure.
Well, I probably should have from the beginning, because now we have something called whatever the hell this thing is called. Iridium Skyblock. We have this. Which means that if I wanted to use anything else, I would have to go in and delete all the worlds and everything. Because look, there's even Iridium Nether, Iridium the End. I'm guessing that's like per person, so everybody goes to the end, everybody goes to the Nether from their island. Gonna have to think about something here. Let me just try something, because simple score is pretty good. Not bad. But okay, so obviously this doesn't work. What about island rank? Will that work? No. I don't really know what to put into rank. Cause it doesn't even work with luck perms. So how would you show the rank that you have? There is no, you know what I mean? Like you can't even show luck perms prefix. You know what I'm saying? Like it doesn't actually work. Oops. It doesn't matter. Okay, so if I go here to Yeah, if I just type it here, it doesn't work. We've tried it already. Oops, it's not here. Player name here. Alright, we've already tried this, so we know it doesn't work. It just says prefix. Placeholder API I thought worked. Placeholder API.
How about animated scoreboard?
Okay, so a placeholder API is a plugin that allows owners to display information from various plugins with a unique, uniform format. Okay, that's what I thought it was for. An animated scoreboard? Is this one better? Oh, it looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. Over 1,500 placeholders. Okay, that seems pretty good. Okay, let's try it then. So we'll go here to.
It should work with luck perms.
There isn't a version that works with 121.8 though, it looks like. Or at least it's not here on Modrinth. Works on every Spigot server. Will it work with a paper server? This Spigot, not paper. I don't think it does. I feel like every time I make a server, it always comes to this point. Like, all the good stuff is on some other thing that I could have been using. But I'm using, like in this case, I'm using paper.
Paper is a fork of Spigot, so it should.
Okay, let's try it. If it works, great. If it doesn't work, dang it. Because I do want it to work. I do want the animated. It did put it into the plugin folder, so I guess it knows. Well, I guess it doesn't really matter. It's already there. Did it start? Okay. Yeah, you're right, it does. That's pretty good. Your world, player world, your game mode, player game mode, your location, player X, player Y, player Z. There's still something wrong. There is still something wrong. Why is it so huge though? If you're using 1.13 or higher, you will see a really long line of text here. What does that even mean? Why? Okay, so we have animated scoreboard. Let's just open this in another tab because we're just gonna copy everything over from the other one. So from simple scoreboards. I just want to copy this to that
Maybe
one.
Not scoreboard might work.
No, this works. It's working. Is it not working? It's just the placeholders don't work. The placeholder doesn't work. Placeholder API true. So it does work with placeholder API. Placeholders. Nope. So, player name, I don't think is the actual thing. Oh no, it is player name. What? So why doesn't that work?
Check Discord.
Where's it at? You say check Discord and it's not here. Oh, okay, I see.
Does that help?
Oh, there is a Pappy, but what is... That's placeholders API. Whoops.
See ya, I have to go to bed.
Okay, Dylan. I'll catch you later, man. Hmm. Ah, I see.
Stephine Wallhead 4627 said I'm back.
Whoops, dude. Why does the luck perms work? But player name does not.
Maureen Muthany said who?
What's up, Maureen? Still doesn't work.
Get you, gonna make you fall in love with me, you want more. Yeah, but you never had a better way. I do it all. I'm gonna get you, gonna make you fall in love with me, you want more. Yeah, but you never had a better way. I do it all. too scared to be lonely. No one's safe from the reaper. Not a saint nor a sinner. Rage under my skin, slowly descend into madness. Let it spread like a virus. Be a friend with the violence. Help, there's blood on my hands. Somebody save me from myself. I'm off of the meds and it might get hideous. Why so serious? Run for your life cause it might get hideous. Why so serious? Change, can you swear some? Never mind, I forgot where I came from. Like wolves in the darkness, we've adapted to blindness. Fall asleep with the sirens out. There's blood on my hands. Somebody save me from myself. I'm off of the meds and it might get hideous. Why so serious? Run for your life cause it might get hideous. Why so serious? Run for your life cause it might get hideous. Why so serious? Are we all that we're
myself another bottle, I don't even check the price. Black jacket on me, looking cute, make sure she looking twice. I don't even wanna go out. It's still cold even when I'm out the house. She wanna play house, what you talking about? I wanna stay out, and I'm just talking out loud. Cigarette the wrong way round. Wake up and I'm upside down, yeah. Well, it's just the way it goes. She like her like glamorous and it's just the way it goes. Now we at the hotel, wanna take off her clothes. I'm hoping she won't tell cause I wanna lay low. It's just the way it goes. It's just the way it goes. It's just the way it goes. Cause I wanna lay low.
The Dylan Shapiro 01 said, did that work?
Yeah, I had to download something for it to work. But see, look, I got it right there. So apparently, this is weird, but here in placeholder API, right here on the side, right here where all the table of contents is, this entire thing, placeholder API itself doesn't come with basic stuff. So like, right here, I had to download one called Player. Right here, Player. And this is just player info. Like regular player info. So I had to do Pappy, eCloud, eCloud, download, player. See? So basic information like player name and stuff like that, that normally comes with, you know, whatever, I had to download it. But it works now. So it shows your world, your information, your name, your game mode. It shows everything, really. But like all information from your total EXP to, you know, your I don't know, your bed location. It even shows you where your bed location is, which is insane. Maybe I need to do player biome. Let's add player biome in here. I don't need health. This is pretty cool though.
The Dylan Shapiro 01 said yay.
Yeah, this is pretty cool though. What else is on here I can take out? I don't really care about game mode. Like, game mode does not matter. Your world. Yeah, this information does not matter. So let's not do player world, we'll do player biome. Game mode does not matter. Yeah, we'll just delete this right here, and then your biome.
The Dylan Shapiro 01 said you should steam early on the weekend.
Yeah, I'll try to do it a little bit earlier. What else do we have?
The Dylan Shapiro 01 said stream.
Yeah, I will. X.
The Dylan Shapiro 01 said like what time?
I'll have to think about it, man. Oh, I deleted that and I completely forgot. Crap. I completely forgot there was something I needed in there. I deleted the whole thing already. Maybe I can do it here.
I was standing, staying still, never said what I feel, and every time I took the blame, carried all this quiet shame, 'cause all the pressure in my chest, I've gotta fight to catch my breath, when every step still feels the same, trying not to break. Where do I go from here? Maybe I'll disappear. If I don't try, I'll never know. I'm waiting on you. Where do I go from here? There will be no more tears. Kill the doubt, feed the fire, hear the voice inside. Not giving up, it's my turn this time. They took a shot, now I want mine. You fall, I rise, I take the wheel. So this is how it feels. Where do I go from here? Maybe I'll disappear. If I don't try, I'll never know. I'm waiting on you. Where do I go from here? There will be no more tears. Kill the doubt, feed the fire, hear the voice inside.
Okay. Already. That's what I'm talking about. That looks good. Okay. We'll leave it there. I'll jump off. I'll catch you guys in more, man.